Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we are going to discuss the coding for minimum number of platforms. So first we will understand the question. What's the question? Then we go into the logic along with the coding. Coming to the question, they are going to provide you the arrival times and departure times of some trains. So this is the arrival trains list and this is the departure trains list. The first train is going to arrive at 9 and it is going to departure at 9:10. The second train is going to arrive at 9:40 and it is going to departure at 12. And the third train is arrival at 9:50 and it is going to departure at 11:20. This is how the two lists are showing. And they provided some conditions. Arrival of one train time equal to departure of another train time. If these two are same, we have to assign a new platform. So for the given list of trains, the question is we need to identify the minimum number of platforms required to arrange these trains. So that is what we have to identify. In order to arrange these trains in the railway station, we need minimum of 3 platforms. The minimum number of platforms required to arrange these trains is 3 platforms. That is what we have to identify. And the conditions is if arrival of one train time is equal to departure of another train time, we need to assign a new platform. This is one condition. And second condition, for a train arrival time less than departure train. If you take any train, the arrival time is always less than the departure time. And third one, all trains arrive and departure on the same day. They are going to give you the 1 day schedule. That is what they are going to provide you. And we have to maintain the time complexity. Whatever the code we have to write, that code has to maintain the time complexity of nlogn and the space complexity of big of 1. Big of 1 means no extra space has to be considered. So in order to write the code for this logic for this question, we are going to write the similar code which we already discussed in our merge sort algorithm. In the merge logic in our merge sort, how that merging is happened in our merge sort. Let's refresh that concept. Similar coding we are going to use in this question. So in the merge sort, we are having 2 lists. This list is sorted list, this is another sorted list. So we need to bring all the elements into a sorted one big list. That is what we are going to do in a merge sort. How we are going to do? We are taking 2 variables, I variable, j variable. I starts from here, j starts from here. 1 less than 2, so bring 1 down and I plus plus. 9 greater than 2, so bring 2 down and j plus plus. 9 greater than 3, so bring 3 down and j plus plus. 9 greater than 5, so bring 5 down and j plus plus. 9 greater than 8, so bring down 8 and j plus plus. This is the logic we considered in a merge sort algorithm. Similar logic we are going to use in this example. For understanding purpose, we have just refreshed the concept of merge sort. Now coming to our logic. So initially what we have to do is we have to sort the arrival and departure list. All the arrival times should be placed in ascending order. All the departure times should be placed in ascending order. Why we are considering this? Why we are doing the sorted array? Why we are sorting the times in arrival and departure? See, if you sorted them, if you sort the arrival times, the first train we are going to get is at 9. The first train leave from the railway station is 9:10. Whether these 2 trains are same or not, we don't bother. One train is going to leave at 9:10, so that platform can be used. If you catch this point, remaining thing is very easy. See, one train is going to arrive at 9 o'clock. One train is going to leave at 9:10. If it left, we can use this platform. Whether these 2 trains are, whether arrival and departure, whether these are same trains or not, we don't bother, because if one train left from the railway station means we can use that platform. That is the point. That's why arrival times and departure times are to be sorted. We can use the logic. So this is in sorted list and this is in sorted list. Initially we are taking platforms, number of platforms variable, we are taking initially it as 1, because the first train we are not considering, because if it comes we have to assign a platform. That's why count of platforms is 1. So arrival starts from here, departure starts from here. 9:40 arrival. So the second train we are going to arrive at 9:40, and the train which is the first train which is departure from the railway station is 9:10. If arrival time is greater than departure time, what's the meaning of that? By the time this train arrives, this train already left, so that we can use this platform. So that's why if arrival time is greater than departure time, platforms minus, how many platforms we have sent initially? 1 platform. If you minus, how many platforms remain? 0. And D++, departure, take the next departure value. That's it. The logic is very simple. Take the next departure value. So D lies here. Arrival time. So arrival time is here 9:40, 11:20. If arrival time is less than or equal to departure time, arrival time is less than or equal to departure time, platform plus means by the time the next departure time is 11:20. Before that one train arrives, means we have to assign a platform. So arrival plus platforms plus. That's it. Logic is 9:40, 11:20. So platform plus, it is going to be 1. Arrival plus, arrival moves here. 9:50 less than 11:20. Arrival plus, platform plus, platform will become 2. 11 less than 11:20. Yes, before this we are going to get a new train. We have to assign new platform. So 11 less than 11:20, platform plus. So how many platforms needed up to now? 3 platforms are needed. So that's why platform plus, arrival plus, arrival moving to here. 15 greater than 11:20 means by the time the next train is going to arrive at 15 hours. So before that this 11:20 train is leaving. So we have to reduce the platforms. So that's why platform minus going to 2. Platform minus 2 platforms. D++, D is pointing to here. 1500 minus 11:30, 1500 greater than 11:30. So before this train arrives, this train is also leaving. Platform minus. So one platform is equal to number of platforms required is equal to 1. So 15 minus D++, D is pointing here. 15 greater than 12. So D++, D pointing here, and platform minus, number of platforms assigned is 0. You keeps on continuing like that. This is the logic which we are going to use. From this you have to understand. See, initially 0, after leaving the first train, 0 platforms, 1 platform, 2 platforms, 3 platforms. In this order, what is the maximum number of platforms required? 3 platforms are required. This is what we have to identify. Means we are going to maintain a global variable, maximum number of platforms required. Initially make it as 1, and each time if you update the platform value, update the maximum global. See, because we are explaining completely from the coding side. Our assumption here is already you have some basic knowledge on programming. Based on that assumption we are explaining the logic. So if you are not good at programming, first you have to complete the basic courses of C programming, Python and data structures, whatever the examples we discussed there. After finishing them, you have to come and solve these examples. That's why for that reason we are explaining it completely in the coding sense. Based on the assumption, you will understand that global variables and local variables, we are maintaining the global maximum value. These basic things are covered in our basic courses. Before you come to the competitive examples, you have to finish them and come here. So now coming to the coding part, this is the base logic, this is the logic. We are not going to explain the code. You try to solve it on your own based on the explanation provided, then check for the coding. Anyway, this code is available in our website learningmonkey.in. You can download the code and you can execute. So this is the code, and this while I less than n and j less than n, this loop is the logic which we discussed now. So this is our code, this is the code. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.